Golygfa 48, y sargeant yn Litherland. Mae'r hyfforddi'n dechrau'n syth nad pawb sy'n deall gorchmynion y sargeant.
You are not on your bloody Welsh farms now. I'll make soldiers out of you yet. Now, when I say come to attention, I mean come to attention properly. Heels together, in line, feet apart.
Remember that English in the film is used as the language of war and of conflict. Iaith ryfel yw Saesneg.
Come here. Demonstrate. Well, man, do it.
He can't understand you, sir.
He can't understand you, Sergeant! I am not a bloody officer.
Elis sy'n siarad dros y milwr.
Officers and warrant officers are, sir. Understand me.
Yes, Sergeant.
Seithiad agos o'r sargeant yn dangos emosiwn.
No, he can't speak English. How are we supposed to win this bloody war with a bunch of ignorant Welsh peasants on our side? Well, you had better start learning English, hadn't you, you miserable piece of shithouse paper?
Saethiad agos eto. Y Saesneg.
Rhaid y geg, Sergeant.
A tipyn bach o hiwmor.
You! What did he say? Translate.
He says he'll do his best, Sergeant.
Tipyn bach o hiwmor